Just 20 minutes away from the city's rush, there is a absolutely Instagrammable and a photoholic place known as Beige, which is at Leopard Trail, Gurgaon. Yes, so come here and enjoy with your friends. And today's weather was awesome. So they are having their own pool, and their white black theme is just heart taking. So you can come here, enjoy, and this is this staycation property which they are providing jacuzzi. So you can bring your friends, family members, and whosoever you want to. You can also bring your dogs with you. Yes, it is a pet friendly place too. So come here and enjoy with your whole family, friends, and your loved ones. So you can look at the rooftop view. It's just amazing. For more such videos, follow me.